In this video, I'm going to show you how to check how many hours you use your iPhone. So if you want to see how much time you spend on your phone, what you can do is click on the Settings app and then scroll down and select Battery. From here, if you just scroll down again to the battery settings, you can see we'll have this overview of exactly how much time we spend on our phone. So this is my current 24-hour view. You can see that I've used my phone for 2 hours and 40 minutes in the last 24 hours. You can also change this to the last 10 days, and then you'll get an average screen time over the last 10 days. So if I click through each of the days, you can see exactly how much time you're spending on your phone each of the days. Then if you scroll down to battery usage and click on show activity, you'll also be able to see a breakdown of exactly where you spend that time, which applications you use the most. And another way we can check this as well is just by heading back over to the settings page, scroll down and select screen time. And as long as you have screen time turned on, this is another place that you'll be able to see a breakdown of how much time you spend on your phone. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.